First, choose Custom Size. Take 1080 by 1350 pixels size, then click on Create New Design. Go to Upload, add your product image. Remove its background. Now, select the background. Choose a dark color from the product photo colors. Go to Elements, search Golden Gradient Circle. Go to the Graphics section, choose this circle. Now, scale its size. Send it to back. Click on Edit Image, then Duotone. Choose the Dawn effect. Next, search Gold Confetti. Go to Graphics. Add this element. Click on Position, send it to backward. Click on Edit, then Duotone. Choose the coral effect. Reduce its transparency to 80%. Next, search Magic Spiral. Go to Graphics. Add this element. Adjust its position. Click on Edit Image, then Duotone. Choose the coral effect. Search Spotlight. Add this element. Place it on the top of the canvas. Adjust its size and position. Click on Edit, then Duotone. Choose the Dawn effect. Now copy your brand name or logo. Add it to the design. Place it on the top right corner. Adjust its size and position. Next, search Lens Flare Light. Go to Graphics. Add this element. Place it on the I letter. Click Edit, then Duotone. Click on Custom. Change the highlights color to white. Go to Text. Add a subheading. Add your tagline. Here, we will choose the Hallamum font. Change the font size to 20 pixels. Place it below the dress. Now, add body text. Add product details. Here, we will choose the Belleza font. Change the font size to 10 pixels. Place it below the tagline. After this, go to Elements. Add a line. Change the line weight to 2 pixels. Place it at the bottom of the canvas. Now, search Golden Label Banner. Go to Graphics. Add this label. Rotate and place it at the top left corner. Click on Edit, then Duotone. Choose the Dawn effect. Go to Text. Add a heading. Type your product price. Go to Font. Search Arimo. Choose Arimo Bold Font. Change the font size to 50 pixels. Place it on the label. Next, search 25% off. Go to the Graphics section, scroll down and add this element. Now, change its background color. Also change the shadow color. Adjust its position. Our design is ready. Let's zoom in. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.